Hello, so this is a Duracraft model DB-100. These fans are from the 1990s, and before I do a blade acceleration test, I'm gonna take it apart and clean it because it's pretty dusty right now. So on the back here, I have one screw up there and two screws down here in these feet. I'll start by unscrewing them. It has sustained a bit of damage on the top here, as you can see. These screws are pretty long. There you go. And the last one seems to have come out partially already. Once you have all the screws out, there's another step. Okay, so the other step is you have these two tabs on the side, one here and one here. You sort of have to push these in, there you go, then the whole front just comes off like that. And you have the blades exposed. So I'm gonna take this, make sure it's unplugged. It's unplugged. I'm gonna take this damp rag, just clean the blades a bit. I'm not sure if this has ever been cleaned. I don't believe people generally think to clean their fans. If they're a box fan, I mean, if it's a ceiling fan, it may be more obvious, or because it's easier to access the blades. And I'll just clean out one side of the box. Okay, now we can put it back together. I have to insert these prongs back into where the tabs go. There you go. and screw it back together. Okay, one foot, and now the last foot. Okay, now we can proceed with the blade acceleration test once I plug this in. Okay, so it's a 2-speed fan. We have high and low. Start with low. This is about the speed for low. And then high. And off. Okay, so now the full off to high acceleration test. Wait for the blades to stop. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye then, and thank you for watching.